We are live. Welcome to Bitcoin, blockchain, and crypto asset RSS, the world's most intelligent Bitcoin, blockchain, and crypto asset RSS feed. For those that are watching this on YouTube, you can find the link below in the description to this Facebook group. So let's get started and see what the RSS feed have generated for us since yesterday. So before we go on the news, let's check the market. So we have Bitcoin now that is up at 3,982. So we are getting close to the $4,000 mark. We have Ethereum that is on 147. It's getting close to 115. Good round numbers. You have EOS at $3.62. Stellar on $0.09 and Monero at 53.15. I also want to check WeChain. WeChain is at $0.0043 and AGI at 0.048374. So normally I like to look at the price in Bitcoin, but since there is a lot of new people to Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency assets, I'm telling this in the USD price. But in the end, the USD price doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go to the news. So we have a major crypto exchange, former Bridgewater Associate Executive as the CEO. So we are seeing that people from the financial market, banks, hedge funds, are moving into blockchain. Ethereum mining pool received mysterious 300,000 blockchain payouts. Let us see. You have Singularity Net News become one with technology with Sultan Istvan. So it looks like they have a meetup. Grayscale Enterprise full year capital inflow despite the bear market. Cambridge Associates pledge with institution investor to explore cryptocurrency. Ethereum Vitalik disclose no Ethereum crypto holdings and other revenue sources. MIT Technology Review all through tout for security. Blockchain is still hackable, but not Bitcoin. BitGo offering 100 million in crypto insurance through Lloyd's of London. Japan's central bank examines central bank digital currency in new report. And 2 crypto startups unveil security token Let me see here. It didn't go. Cambridge Associate. Cryptocurrency worthwhile for long-term investor. And yes, it have been very lucrative for long-term investors. And that is what I recommend. I don't know, just think about those who bought in the high. And they're seeing their funds now and selling like 80% loss. If they would have a different mindset when going in, like when they were buying, they're going to hold to 2025, 2030. Their situation, stress, and mentality would be totally different right now. Because this is a long-term game. And of course, you can ride the waves, but in the end, you never know what will happen because of the volatility in this market. If you have a long-term strategy, and if you have delegated funds correctly and rebalance once a year, I believe that you will come out as a winner. But if you are trading the waves, I will say that is a very high risk. But of course, people have different thoughts around trading. And my trading style is very long term. So I do minimum 10 years. And it have been paying off pretty good. If we think about the compounding and the result that this market have given for those who have been in it for a long time. Crypto trader Cumberland upgrades from Skype to Wall Street interface. South Korean capital to invest over 1 billion in fintech and blockchain starters by 2022. We are seeing it here. Hard evidence that more and more interest around Bitcoin are being created and blockchain. But I believe in the end it's going to be built around Bitcoin. Anyway, so we are seeing startups, we are seeing capital, we are seeing private investment, we are seeing the ecosystem growing every single day. And yeah, I'm saying growing, it doesn't matter what the price is, as long as the enterprise, if we look at this as enterprise, is growing and coming out with new ways for capital to come into the market. And we are seeing that new ways of capital is created, new ways of making the capital come in. And crypto startup again, True Digital, they have a lot of headlines today. Hires CEO from world's largest hedge fund. You have Coinbase acquiring blockchain analytics startup. Consus mislead article headline claims JP Morgan is using Ethereum, which they don't do, I think. Financial firm offers almost instant loans up to $30,000 with crypto as collateral. So we are seeing the financial institute also want to make money here. And this is a good way of loan, actually, that you loan, like if we take Salt as an example, you deposit Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency into a trust where you have to pay back. If you don't pay back, they just sell the collateral and they take what you owe them and you get the rest. I think this is a very good way, like pawn shop way of loaning money. And I think that's a futuristic way of borrowing money, where you actually have to save up and then give to get a loan, because that will give security to banks. And of course then you have your credit score and stuff like that that will also be dependent on what you get. Major Spanish bank BBVA issues 40 million green bond based on blockchain platform. Again, from yesterday, that you can use the Lightning Network on Twitter now to pay tip your favorite tweets. Bitcoin contributes 95% of BitPay's business, CEO confirms. Bitcoin price crosses key long-term hurdle for the first time in 9 months. Oh, it's very bullish news right now. Indian targets cryptocurrency crime as part of their cyber security offensive, which is pretty good, that we can see resources is going into blockchain and the security aspect. As we know, with the free economy, there will also be scams. So people have to be very careful. And it's easy to spot it out if you just take some time to do your due diligence. Of course, sometimes it just happens, but you have to use risk management. Never have all your eggs in one basket. Germany seeking industry feedback for national blockchain strategy. Japanese Amazon Rakuten tries hand on Bitcoin, on crypto, excuse me. This Bitcoin pump is different, more bullish. It's going over again with the ASIC chips. A report Bitmain IPO documented reportedly reveals 500 million Q3 losses. That's a lot of losses. 4 exchanges to buy and sell any cryptocurrency. Oh, this was just the article. And 10,000 bursts paid to BAT for Burst.js implementation. Let us see if we can find something here. Norwegian city replaced fiat and cash for its own cryptocurrency. This is pretty cool. I think it's Liberstad. I really like the concept of Liberstad. Let us see if it's Liberstad. Let's go into this article. Yeah, Liberstad have a city coin. So it's private land in Norway. where they created a state, and it's named Liberstar. Blockchain startup takes on mainstream crowdfunding sites to cut numbers of failed projects, and we will see many failed projects. There have been hundreds of ICOs promising the skies, and few will deliver. What we are in now, I believe it's a drain out. We need to get all the shit coins drain out before we can rebuild. And it looks like this will be the cycle of free economy, because this is a free economy with the immutable monetary policy. You will have overhype and you will have drain out. So you will have a combination of these two in circles. But as we saw earlier, these wipeouts was very quickly, and we have a long run where we are in the bear market now as a result of that. But it's not only that, it's also how much capital is flowing into the market. Let us see before we stop if there's anything else in the market that we should look at. Billionaire. Bitcoin rules fiat is for criminals. Blockchain release test code for proposed Bitcoin tech upgrade. Sknor. Norway, Liberstar again. The one Bitcoin show is still going on. Yeah, this is what had for us today. And if you are watching this on YouTube, you can find a link to the RSS feed in the description. And we will talk more and see what the RSS produced for us tomorrow. So far, today it have been pretty good news, and we are in a green market. Stay tuned, and bye for now.